business. Come back and see me soon.
We've put all the numbers we found back on the alarm clock, but we're still missing the number 3.
Did I hear you say we're still missing the number 3?
Uh-huh.
Oh, no. Even though my clock is working, the alarm won't ring without all of the numbers. And the alarm has to go off for the surprise to happen.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Look at my numbers. See, I made a 1 and a 2, and I found this pretty 3.
Baby Bop, you found the last missing number.
I did?
Now we can get the alarm clock to work.
Oh, goody, goody.
There. All of the numbers are back where they belong.